shouldn't be a filmmaker, you can't make a living doing what you love, there's no security in freelancing, you should get a real job. These are all things we hear as filmmakers and creatives. But fortunately, those things do not have to be true. My name's Matty Apoya, I'm a filmmaker, and I'm gonna show you how I went from earning $0 to over 6 figures in just a few years, just by making films. Having more money isn't necessarily gonna make you happy, but it is gonna open a lot of doors for you creatively to do what you want when you wanna do. And as a creative, that's the dream, right? So I'm gonna give you my 7 big tips on how to earn 6 figures a year while making films. And this course is aimed at filmmakers, but it really applies to all creatives, so don't rule yourself out just because you're not a filmmaker. We're gonna go through diversifying your revenue streams. We're gonna talk about your product, learn, make, repeat, how to make your product better, passive income, building social media and your audience, not wasting your money and time on film school, but learning continuously, networking the right way, and how we can focus on the business side of things. So join me on the How to Earn 6 Figures Making Films course.